Hey, look, I wanted to hop on here and ask you a question. Do you remember the time that you found that program or that opportunity, business, whatever you want to call it, and you just couldn't sleep at night because you were so excited about it? I've only had that just a couple of times, but I've been doing this for 30 years, okay? Probably longer. So the feeling is crazy. It just takes over your mind because you know it's going to be huge, but it's going to be a kind of a little slower process, but it's going to be so freaking worth it. Look, you may not have ever had that feeling because you may not have been doing this as long as I've been doing it. But what I want to offer you is to join me and see if you get the feeling about this as I have. I can't force you to. I won't force you to, or anybody to. But what I want to do is offer you the information that I got that hooked me up with this. And no, it's not free for the information, okay? But it's well worth it. And after that, you're good to go. It's a one-time payment for the information, which is worth it for me not to have to go dig it up, take months, well, maybe not months, but weeks and hours to figure it out. I like to pay an expert and get it from them. They've already done it. And then I can just hop right in and do it. If it's something you want, look, it's less than a night out, going out to eat with your family. Way less with your family. So, are you interested? Let me know. But no, it's not free. And don't message me with questions all about it because I'm too busy being excited about it and getting ready. I'm here to help you though, but I'm going to guide you in the right direction. Go make it a great day. Patti Allred, and I will talk to you soon.